Hello everyone. Today's topic is variable scope. Here I have one class. Inside that class I have declared one variable called my variable, and the scope of this variable is within these two red curly braces. So that means I can use this variable or value of the variable within these two curly braces. There may be n number of methods, or including the main method. Wherever I want to use, I can use the value of this variable within these two curly braces. Here I have one method called check variable. Inside that method I have declared another variable with the same variable name and assigned different value. Okay, so as I have told earlier, the scope of the variable lies within the next two curly braces. So the two curly braces for this variable are the method curly braces, which are highlighted in yellow color. Okay, so that means you can access the value of this variable within this method. So outside the method you cannot access the value of this, hence the name local variable. Whereas this variable you can use within these two red curly braces. That means you can use the value of this variable inside the method also, as well as outside of it, hence the name global variable. So let me run this program now. So see here, we are getting the same result. We are getting the value of local variable for both the results. So this is due to inside this method, inside these curly braces, since the variable name for both are same, the local variable has higher priority or higher precedence. So to overcome this problem, so to access the value of global variable inside this method, we can use this keyword. So you will just type this dot, the name of the variable. Okay, so now let me run this program. See here, now you are getting the value of global variable for global variable and local variable for local variable. To show you that outside this method global variable has higher priority, I have added another method called check variable 1. Inside that I am just printing out my variable. Okay, so let me run this program now. So see here, outside this method, so inside this class, it's just as accessing the global variable. Now here I have another method called sum of. Inside that I have an if condition, and inside the condition I have declared another variable called num1, and I have assigned some values. I am trying to print num1, but I am getting an error here. So if you have clearly understood the concept, you will able to identify what mistake I have done here. Pause the video for 5 seconds and comment down what mistake I have done here. Thinking that you have identified the mistake, so the mistake is, so I have declared num1 inside these two curly braces. So the scope of this variable lies within these two curly braces, but I am trying to print the variable outside the curly braces. So that is why it is showing error. Okay, so I'll try to move this inside the curly braces. Okay, so now the error is gone. I'll print it. Hope you have clearly understood the concept of variable scope. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.